Happy morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Hello, Hush, right? This is Hush.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhairavi, Pita, Anishka. Okay, we'll wait for another 5 minutes. So others also let them. Yes. Are you excited for this session?
Ma'am, action session.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Lakshmi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am Nelia.
Nelia. Okay. Nelia, can you
God.
change your name?
Yes, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, my video and mute will be off as there is one small function happening in my house.
Okay, Nelia. No problem. No problem.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Hush.
Ma'am, it is fraction class now.
Yes, fraction workshop. It is a 2 hours workshop.
Okay.
Everyone
Okay.
had your breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for another 2 hours, I'm going to talk about food only. Okay, so after the session, the people will
Ma'am,
go.
I'm completely unready, ma'am. I'm completely not ready right now.
Sorry,
I'm not ready for 2 hours.
you're not ready for 2 hours. Okay, you just stay and you can continue till you want. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay, children, we'll have on guidelines. Okay. So what does that means for next 2 hours? I'm not allowing you to unmute frequently. I'll be keep on asking you questions. Your people are going to type in chat box. If everyone talks means it won't be it will be clumsy, right? So
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
stick to the guidelines. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I say one small thing?
Later, Nelia.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to type, tell anything, type it in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. Hello,
Excuse me,
Vedanshi.
ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. Hello, Mokshita. Yes. Okay. Okay, children. We'll start our session by 11:05. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children. If you want to tell anything, type with the chat. Okay. Hello, Advita. Yes, I just now I saw your message. Okay. Okay. I'll share my screen. Just tell whether it is visible. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I write in this?
Okay, you want riddle. Okay, we'll ask that riddle later, Harsh. Yes, Vedanshi, you want to write in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can write, but when I'm telling, you can write. Okay. At times, I'll ask you to state something. At the time, you can do it. Yes. Okay. Now, as of now, we'll have it as a clean board. Okay. Yes. Before going to this, I would like to ask a poll. I want you people to fill this poll. Yes, you'll get on poll, Kana. You just try to fill that poll. Which grade are you and which board are you? Yes, you just fill that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is a quiz.
No, that is to check which grade you people are from. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand the second question.
Which board, whether it is CBSE or matriculation or IGCSE,
CBSE, ma'am.
then click on that one.
I clicked. Done. Ma'am.
One moment.
Ma'am, I submitted. I'm Agrita. Ma'am, I am also submitted.
Okay, Kana, super. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I got the data. Yes, children. Yes, shall we start our session? Everyone
Yes,
excited?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As I told you, I'm going to stop. You can't able to unmute. Yes. If you want to tell anything, type it in the chat box. And in between, I'll call each and everyone. Okay. Suppose if I'm calling Advait, I want Advait to unmute and you want to answer my questions. Okay. Like this, we'll have. Yes. How I'm going to select that person means based on your responses in this one. And I'll try to give chances to everyone. Okay. So I'll do chances to everyone. I'll select persons randomly. That person can answer at the time. Yes, everyone clear with the instruction? Good to go? Okay. With a big smile. Yes. Yes. Okay. Super. Okay. So students, turn on the video. You can also smile there. Yes, I can able to see. Yes. Yes, and this workshop is about fraction. Yes. How many of you know fraction? If you know fraction, you just type yes in comment box. You just type yes. If you know fraction, you just type yes. Okay. Bhairavi, Anelia, Kavita, Vedanshi, Advait, Mokshita. Yes. Most of you learn fraction, right? So tell me, from which grade you started to learn fraction? You just type the number. Grade 1, 2, like that, you just type the number. Okay. Yes, grade 5, 4, second grade. Okay. It's from 4th grade. Yes. Yes. Okay. Advita. Okay. Yes. Okay. You people are learning fraction from second grade. Do you know till which grade you people are going to learn that fraction? Till which grade it will come? Most of you from 5th to 7th, right? Not more, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay. Do you know any? Do you have any idea till which grade this fraction will follow you? Any idea? No idea. Okay. Yes, by the way, till 12th. Yes, that is true. It will come till 12th. Yes. Okay. From a few students started from second grade. From second grade to 12th grade. If you are learning one topic, do you think that topic is an important topic? Yes. Okay. In math, we are having one concept called fraction from second grade to 12th grade. So we should be clear with the basic and then it will be easy for us to learn. Yes or no, Kana? Yes? Okay, super. Now, yes. Why fraction? Why do we want to learn fraction? Where can we apply this fraction? Any idea? Yes, type in the chat box. Any idea? Where you will apply this fraction? Why I should learn fraction? No idea, no idea. Okay, we are learning, but without to divide something. Okay, by the way, you just unmute. You just tell me once again. I'll give you the option to unmute. You were telling divide, right? Can you explain that?
Ma'am, we use fraction to like divide something into many halves.
Divide something into many halves. Okay, we are having division, right? We can do that with division, no?
Yes, ma'am, but fraction will be even easier to do it.
Fraction will be even easier to do that.
Because
Yes,
we can easily divide it by the whole.
easily divided by the whole. Is it so? Okay, we'll see what is that. Okay. Yes. Okay. Any other answer? Okay, you're having a big message. Who is that? Vedansh? Fractions are important because they tell you what portions of a whole you need, have, or want. Fractions are used in baking to tell how much of an ingredient used, telling time. Okay. Yes, you are using this fraction in many places. Is that no, Karna? Okay, super. Okay. Now you just see, as I told you, this topic is an important topic. We are learning from the basic, from grade 2 onwards. Is that no? Whereas in CBSE board, if you see, they'll start from grade 4. It differs from school to school. Yes or no? So from 4th, you are starting, and 7th, you are completing all the fractions. And after 7th, what you will be doing means you will applying the same concept in 8th grade also with some other added topics. Okay. This and all you will learn in your higher classes. Okay. Same way it will continue till 12th grade. So we want to be clear with the basics of fraction. In this workshop, we are going to see basics of fraction. Everyone ready for that? Super. Okay. Yes. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me in between. And if you want to talk to me, you just use just a minute. Sorry. Yes. If you want to ask any question, you just use chat box. Okay. And yes, 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Yes, 1 by 2. Okay, Harsh. We'll see. Yes. Okay. Now, in this entire thing, we are going to talk with cookies, biscuits, dosa, pizza, everything. Okay. Ready for that? Yes. Don't ask me dosa, pizza, and all. I'll just show you the pictures. Okay. Super. Yes. Now, what did you see in this picture? Yeah. Can you able to see 3 girls and some cookies are there? Yes or no? Yes. How can we share these cookies? Any idea? Okay, Harsh, will you unmute? Yes, tell me, how can we share these cookies to these 3 girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, what is question?
Can you able to see 3 girls and a
Yes.
few cookies are there? How you are
Yes.
going to share this one? There are 9 biscuits.
9 by 3. 9 by 3.
9 by 3. So each person you will go 3 biscuits. Yes or no, Kana?
Yes.
Yes, you will be giving like that. Yes.
Yes.
Now you just tell me you will give like this. Yes or no? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Correct.
how we are
Correct,
going to share this one. What do you do?
Pizza.
Yes. The
Ma'am,
same-
you want to
Hmm.
half and
Hmm.
half and 2 parts and give 2 girl and 1 part at 1 girl and 1 part is and then part 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Did
You are
you
going
see?
to do. You are going to cut this into few pieces and you are going to go to them. Yes or no? Yes.
Ma'am, you want to cut a pizza, it became 4 pieces. First, you want to give 3 pieces to 3 girl and 1 piece is left. You want to cut 3 pieces of 1 pizza.
Again,
Sorry,
you are
1
going to
half
cut.
pizza and you
Okay.
give
Okay.
3 girls.
Okay. You are going to do 1, 2, 3 to 3 girls, and again you are going to cut the next part like this, and you are going to go. Yes or no?
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
We can do in many ways. or else we can directly divide the whole pizza into 3 equal parts also. Yes or no? We can do in different.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you just see. One second. I'll move you. Okay. Yes. Now we have to cut this one. Yes. And we will be dividing the pizzas like this, and we are going to share among different students. Yes or no, Kana? Okay. Now, what is the difference? What is the difference between the first case and the second case? Yes, Navadita. Can you unmute and tell? What is the difference between first case and the second case? Yes.
That is called fracture.
This is fracture. Yes, I showed this is fracture. But I told you, no, sharing biscuits and sharing pizza. What is the difference between sharing biscuit and sharing pizza? Yes. Okay, I'll tell you. Yes. Okay, children, you just see here. We are going to learn fracture and fraction. And I'll talk about this fracture, how it is related later. Yes. You just see in this, both are cakes, right? In first case, you are having many cakes. I'm having many chocolates, many cakes, and I'm going to share to my friends. That is division. This is the normal division what we see from our lower grades. Yes or no, Kanna? If you are having many quantity and if you are going to share among your friends, that is division. And whereas you just see here, you are having only one birthday cake. Yes or no? Will you order many birthday cakes? You will be ordering only one birthday cake, and you people are going to cut that into pieces and you are going to share to your friends. Yes or no? So that is, sorry children, and that is called as fraction. If you are having one whole and if you are dividing that into pieces and if you are going to share means that is fractions. Okay. Why did I use this picture? Fracture means, what is fracture? Do you know fracture? Fracture means something happening. The whole bone is broken into pieces, right? This is a fracture. Is that no, Kana? Frac means dividing into parts. Okay, the whole is divided into parts. That is why this is fraction. Are you clear with the division and fraction? Do you have any doubt with the division and fraction? Yes. Okay. If you are having doubt, you just tell me. Otherwise, we'll go to the next one. Yes. Everyone type CC. CC means crystal clear. CC, crystal clear. If everyone is CC, then we'll go. Okay, Neela, you had 4 fractures. Oh my God. No power to you. Okay. Yes, yes. More of your everyone clear. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now you just see next one. Now we are going to completely see about fraction. So we are going to talk about one whole thing and how we are going to divide that one. Yes. In fractions, what else you know? We'll come to this dosa later. Okay. In fraction, what else you know? Do you know this numerator, denominator? Everyone? Yes. Okay. How many of you clear with this numerator and denominator? I know, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Pratha. Can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
What is numerator? What is denominator?
Ma'am, the numerator.
Unmute again. Yes, Pratha, are you there? Okay, so I'll go with Vedanshi. Yes,
Yes,
Vedanshi.
ma'am.
What is numerator? What is denominator?
Ma'am, for example, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4. The 1 is numerator and the 3 is the denominator.
Okay. So if you are having an example fraction 1 by 3 like this, 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Yes, you are meaning that above the line it is numerator, below the line it is denominator. But my question is, what is numerator? What is denominator? Yes, Bhairavi?
Yes, ma'am. Numerator is the part and denominator is the whole.
Numerator is a part, denominator is a whole. Okay, we'll see. Yes, yes, and Navadita. How to pronounce your name?
Naveta.
Naveta. Okay. Yes, Naveta. What is numerator? What is denominator?
The numerator is the which we eat or the shaded part, and the denominator is the total part, ma'am. Total means the shaded part and the and not shaded part also.
Okay. Not shaded, but very good, very good. Okay. Okay, children, we'll see. Yes, so I'm going to explain in detail. Even if you don't know, we'll see that one. Yes, you just see here. First, we should learn about denominator. Then we should go for numerator. Okay. Now you just see this pictures. Okay. What did you see? You just see. We know this is one whole, right? This is one whole. Yes. One whole is divided into how many parts here? Now I'm dividing one whole into two equal parts. One part, two parts. The same one whole in this picture, I'm dividing into how many parts? Three parts. 1, 2, 3. Here it is 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, one whole I'm dividing into parts, right? So what does denominator means? The whole is divided into how many equal parts. I'm not bothering about how much I take, you take and all. I'm just thinking about the whole is divided into how many equal parts. Okay. Now you just tell me what will be the denominator for this? It is 5. What is the denominator for this? It would be 6 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole is divided into 6 equal parts. Yes or no, Kana? That is why this is the denominator is 6. Okay. Now we'll see this pictures. Yes, I'll clear. Okay. Yes, I want 1%. Yes, sir. Priyanka, are you there? Can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Priyanka.
my name is Hansika, ma'am.
Hanshika. Okay, Hanshika. Tell me, Hanshika. The whole is divided into how many equal parts in this picture? In this picture, the whole
Four parts, ma'am.
4 parts. So the denominator will be 4 here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How about here? The whole is divided into how many equal parts?
6, ma'am.
Here,
3, ma'am.
3. How about this one? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. Yes or no, Kanna? So the whole is divided into how many equal parts is the denominator? Yes, I think everyone clear with this, right? Even though the shape is not circle, if you are having different shape also, based on number of parts we are dividing, we will be telling the denominator. So what would be the denominator for this? We are having 3 parts. The whole triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. So denominator is 3. Yes? Okay. Super. Now you just see. Okay. Now we'll go to this one. So denominator means what? A whole is divided into how many equal parts? That is denominator. Everyone clear with this one? Yes? Okay. Type CC in the chat box. Then we'll go to numerator. Yes, CC, Vedanshi, clear. Okay. Neelya, Bhairavi, Advait. Yes. Everyone are clear. Okay, super, Kana, super. Yes. Now you just see, we'll go to next one. Now that is numerator. Yes or no, Kana? Okay. Now you just see this one. We'll take a few examples. Okay. We are having one pizza and we are having three different people. Yes. Vedanshi, Priyanka, and Harsh. Okay. Three of them are going to shop and they are ordering one pizza. And the pizza is like this. Okay. Will they go to the shopkeeper and they'll tell, shopkeeper, we are only three of us. Can you cut into three pieces? Will we tell like that? No, right? We'll be sharing from this. Yes or no? How can we share this one? Okay. For example, I'll randomly select pieces for each one of them. This is for Vedanshi, and this is for Priyanka. And Priyanka is telling, I don't want pizza. Okay, so she is taking just one part. And this is for Harsh. This is also Harsh. And this is also for Harsh. And this is for again Vedanshi. Yes. Okay. Now you just tell me how many parts Vedanshi has. She has three parts, right? 1, 2, and 3. Yes or no, Kano? B, V, and P. Yes. So 3 parts for Vedanshi. So what is Vedanshi? How many pieces Vedanshi took? She took 3 pieces, right? Okay. How many pieces Priyanka took? She took only one. Sorry, only one piece. Whereas Harsh, how many parts he took? He took 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts from this. Yes or no, Kana? So, what is numerator means? What you select, how much you take. We are not bothering about how many parts are there. How much I take, that is numerator. Okay, are you all clear with this? Okay, so the number of parts you select is the numerator. Okay, now you just see here. I need one volunteer. Yes, Harshit, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Harshit, can you tell me what will be the fraction for this one?
Ma'am?
What will be the fraction for this one? Okay, how many parts are selected?
3, ma'am.
3. And what will be the denominator?
Denominator, it will be 4.
4. Yes. So you will be writing the fraction like this, 3 by 4. So what is the 3 meaning? I am taking 3 parts. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts. From that I am taking 3 parts. Yes or no, Kana?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
can you tell what will be the fraction for this? Yes. Okay, you mute. Okay, Ishit, can you unmute and tell? Okay, I'll go to some other person. Yes, Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nandini, what is the fraction form for this?
Ma'am, 2 upon 4.
2 upon 4. Yes.
4.
How about this one?
3 upon 1.
Is it 3 upon 1? Okay, what is this numerator? What is the
No,
denominator?
ma'am. Sorry. 1 upon 3. 1 upon
1
3.
upon 3. And the whole is divided into 3 equal parts. And I am just selecting one part from that. So 1 upon 3. How about this one, Nandini?
Ma'am, 5, not 3 upon 5.
3 upon 5. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Others, you just try to do it in your note. You just tell me what is the fraction for this one. Yes, whether it is easy. Okay, I'll ask other person to tell.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nandini?
Ma'am, of the blue one is 5 upon 6.
Very good. It's 5 upon 6. Yes. Okay. Okay, Kana. Okay. Yes, okay. So, are you all clear with the numerator and denominator? For different things, you are having different numerator and denominator. Yes or no, Kana? So, in a fraction, this numerator and denominator forms a very, very, very important one. If you understand what is that, then all the fractions are easy. Yes? Okay, I hope everyone clear with the numerator and denominator, right? Yes, super. Okay, now you just see what is numerator? Numerator means number of parts we select. And what is denominator? A whole is divided into how many equal parts. This is an example for this. You people saw this one. Yes? Okay. Now, you just see this picture. What is happening here? Again, 3 girls, but they are ordering 4 pizzas. Yes? How we can share this one? Yes? What we'll do? It is possible, right? We can order like this also and we can share like this, right? Okay. So, you will be having, for 3 girls, you will be giving 1 whole pizzas, and for others, the last pizza, you can cut into some pieces and you can share like this. Yes or no, Kana? Yes? Okay, how can I tell fraction for this one? Okay, before going to fraction for this one, can we do like that? The whole is there and other whole also we can cut and share. Yes or no? Same way, think about dosa. If you are eating a pizza, you will be eating part of that pizza, right? How about dosa? How many dosas you will eat, everyone? 3 dosa. At times it will become 2.5. Yes or no, Vedanshi? At times it will become 3.5. Yes or no? So 3 whole dosas, and I am taking another half from another dosa. Yes or no, Kana? Yes? Okay. Now, that also will represent like this. Yes or no? Now, what will be the numerator and what will be the denominator for this? Who is going to answer? Who know the answer for this? Raise your hand, I'll unmute. Yes, okay. Hush, unmute and tell what will be the numerator and what will be the denominator for this.
0 by 3.
Why it is 0 by 3? Okay, you just tell me here what is 0, what is 3? Why it is 0, what is
0 is numerator and 3 is denominator, ma'am.
Yes. What did you understand from this picture? There are 2 holes are there.
Ma'am, second answer is 3 by 1.
Oh, you are telling this this is separate one, this is separate one. No. You misunderstood the concept. You just see, this is 1 whole dosa. This is your breakfast. You ate 1 whole dosa, and in another dosa you eat 2 parts from this. So how can we write this as a fraction? So what is the
1 by 3, ma'am.
denominator? First we'll
1
tell
by
you
3.
denominator.
Ma'am,
What is
1 by 2.
1 by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, why it is 1 by 2? What does denominator means?
Divide how many equal parts?
Okay, the whole is divided into how many equal parts? Yes or no? One particular whole is divided into how many equal parts? You just see, this whole is divided into how many equal parts?
3, ma'am, 3.
3. Yes, the whole is divided into 3 equal parts. Here also 3,
1
here
by
also
3, ma'am. 1 by 3.
Yes. Now you just see how many parts you took. Blue color and all you took. So how many
Yes,
parts
ma'am.
you took? 1. Count.
2, 3,
3. Here.
4,
4.
5.
5. Yes or no, Kana? So 5 pieces you took from that dosas. Yes or no, Kana? 5 parts you took from this. Yes or no?
5 by 3, ma'am.
5 by 3. This fraction is 5 by 3. Are you clear with this? Okay. So what is denominator? We should see what a
3.
whole is divided. Okay. How we are dividing a whole. Yes. You should not tell there are 6 parts, 6 pieces like this. Yes or no? What is the definition? A whole is divided into how many parts? That is denominator. Are you clear with this? Okay. 3 persons raised. Okay. And Vedanshi, do you have any doubt? One second. Yes, tell me. Yes,
Ma'am, I just want to answer the question.
you want to answer question. Next question we'll do. Yes, okay. Now you just see this picture. Yes, tell me, Vedanshi. Now, what will be the fraction for this one? What will be the numerator? What will be the denominator? Yes. Okay. Unmute. Yes, tell me.
3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6, ma'am.
Why it is 1 by 6? You
No, no,
just
no, no, 4 by 6.
this 4 by 6. Okay, now you just tell me what is denominator. Denominator means a whole is divided into how many equal parts? You just tell me the whole is divided into how many equal parts?
Equal parts.
4 parts, right? This is a whole. This whole I just divided into 4 equal parts. Yes or no? So the denominator is 4. Yes. The numerator is how many parts you took? 1,
2, 3, 4,
and also here from another whole. How much you took?
5, 6, ma'am.
Okay, you took
6 by 4.
by 4. Yes. So what is denominator? The whole is divided into how many equal parts? And what is numerator? How many parts you are taking? Yes. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, super. Okay. Now, Bhairavi, you raised hand at the time itself. Okay. I'll unmute Bhairavi and I'll come to others. Yes, Bhairavi.
For this one, ma'am.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. The denominator is 6, ma'am.
Okay.
And then the numerator is 2.
Is the 2? You're talking about only this, but I told this is one dosa and extra pieces.
Okay.
Yes. So how many parts are there? Even though you are divided into 6 parts, you just tell me how many parts are there? You just see. You just count how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7, 8. You took 8 parts from this whole thing. Yes or no, Kanna? Yes. So this is 8 by 6. Now we are learning only numerator and denominator. Yes. Okay. Are you clear with this? Is anyone having any doubt in this? Any doubt? Okay. No doubt. Yes. Okay. Super. Yes. Okay. Now you just see this. One final question. I want everyone to type your answer in the chat box. What will be that answer? You just type like this. For example, 3 by 5 means type 3 by 5 like this. Type the answer in the chat box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes, Ishit is correct. 7 by 4. And others? Yes, 7 by 4, 7 by 4. Yes. Okay. Super. Okay, Kana. Yes. Now we'll have a quick test on numerator and denominator. Everyone ready? Yes. Okay. Yes, Hanshika, what is the 21 slash? Why did you say 21? Okay. If you are having any doubt, you just ask me, children. Sorry, one moment. I'll give you the link. Okay, this is numerator, denominator thing. Yes. Okay, you people are going to click on this link, what I'm sharing. And if you click on that one, you will get something like this. Okay, you will get something like this. You can fill this form only once. So that is why it is not allowing me to fill it again. So I'll just give another account. Okay. You will get something like this. Sorry. Okay, I'll give you the link. You can directly type. Yes. Yes, you will get the questions like this. You have to see the question. In one question, I'll be asking what is the numerator. In another question, I'll be asking what is the denominator. See the question properly and try to type the answer for that. Yes. You just try to do. I'll do a 3 minutes timer, and after 3 minutes, I'll ask you to stop. At the time, you have to submit the form. Is it clear? If anyone is having doubt, you can ask. Yes, Vedanshi?
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
You just try to do it. There are 25 questions. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. You just try to do that. It is just numerator, denominator, nothing hard. Try that. Oh, is it asking you to sign in? Means you can use any one of your Gmail account. Okay? You can log in using Gmail account.
Letting me allow Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done with the 25 questions.
Yes. Okay. Harsh, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harsh. I think you didn't read the question properly. Harsh, tell me what is the answer for this question?
This question, ma'am, what is numerator?
Hmm.
Ma'am, 2.
Why it is 2?
Ma'am, the shaded part is denominator and
Ma'am, it is 1, ma'am.
No. Harsh,
don't
the
share.
whole is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 is the
Ma'am,
denominator.
numerator is 3. Ma'am, numerator is 3.
No, Kana, denominator is 3, numerator is 1. Okay, 1,
Oh, ma'am.
3. Are you clear? First we solve the denominator, right? Denominator,
Yes.
the whole is divided into how many equal parts? Okay, so what is the numerator for this one, Harsh?
Ma'am, which one?
This one, what is the numerator for this one?
1.
1. Very good. Okay. Now you just see the next question. Okay, so what is the numerator for this one?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. 3, ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. Okay. What is the yes? What is the denominator for this one?
Ma'am, 2.
Why it is 2? The denominator, the whole
3, ma'am.
equal
3
parts.
denominator.
3. The denominator is 3. Are you
3.
clear with this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the numerator for this, Harsh?
2 minutes, ma'am. 6, ma'am.
Very good. What is the denominator for this?
Ma'am, 8.
7, ma'am.
Dipant.
Four.
Dipant.
Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is the denominator means? The whole is divided into how many equal parts? You just think
4,
it
ma'am. 4.
4. The whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Yes or no, Kana? So you should write it as a 4, not 8. Okay? We are talking about only one whole. Yes. Even though we are having many wholes, we are telling what is denominator. It is divided into how many equal parts. That's all. Okay. Yes. Yes. How many of you know this one, the Romali roti? Do you know that dish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Roti. Roti or naan.
Roti.
Naan.
Roti.
Naan. Yes, in hotel and all, they'll be giving something called naan, right? Garlic naan, naan, like that. Okay, if you see
Yes,
the
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
into 2 parts, they'll give you 2 pieces. Yes or no? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
They will give separately.
Separately. Okay, they'll do separately. Okay, the whole is divided into how many equal parts? That is denominator. Are you clear with this? Yes. Okay, this is 11:50, and I want you people to go for a
Ask riddle.
5 minutes break.
Ma'am, can I ask riddle?
Sorry, one moment. We'll go for 5 minutes break, and we'll resume here by 11:55. Yes, and from 11:55 we'll start with types of fraction. Okay. We'll go and
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Just to say one thing, I logged into the Maths Foundation Hub.
Okay. Which one, Kana?
Ma'am, the app.
Okay, Kana. Okay, we'll discuss that in tomorrow. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Children, you can go for break. If you are having
Ma'am,
doubt,
ask riddle, please.
last. Okay. If everyone is asking riddle, then our time will go. Yes or no? Go for your break and come. 5 minutes.
Can we leave?
No, Kana. 5 minutes break. We are having till 1 o'clock. Yes. 5 minutes break. Go for 5 minutes break and come.
Ma'am, have a doubt how many days this class?
Only today. 1 more hour. Okay, that's it.
Ma'am, Bhairavi, ma'am, I got all correct in the form.
Super, Kana, super. I'm just checking the result. 25. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm still doing it. Forms.
Sorry, Advita?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still doing it.
Okay, Kana, do that, complete that. Vedanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
I think you didn't see the question properly. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I saw, ma'am.
Typed only numerator value.
Oh.
Okay. Now tell me, Kana, what is the denominator for this?
Okay, ma'am. For the two boxes.
This one. What is the denominator of this
Ma'am,
one?
for the first box, it is 4/6, ma'am.
It is 4 by 6. Is it 4 by 6? What is denominator, Vedanshi?
6, ma'am.
Denominator is how the whole is divided into how many equal parts. You just see the whole is divided into how 4. Yes. What is the numerator?
Numerator. I think 6, ma'am.
Very good. So 6 by 4. Okay. Yes. Okay. The next one, what you did here. Yes. What is the question here?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you explain it again?
What is the question here? Tell me.
What is the denominator
Yes. Tell me what is the denominator?
of for the first box? One.
It's not for the first box, second box. This is entire thing is one whole thing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you just tell me the whole is divided into how many equal parts?
Ma'am, give me 1 minute. Ma'am, 8/6.
Very good. 8 by 6. Okay. So you read the question and then do that one. Yes, I think you didn't read the question properly. You are clear with the concept, but you didn't read the question properly. Everywhere you wrote numerator value. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Naveda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana. You just see your answers are correct, but for this one, you just see once again. Yes. What is the fraction denominator of this Naveda?
6 and 6, ma'am.
6 and 6. It won't come now. Why it is 6 and 6?
For
What
the
is
first circle, the denominator is 6, and for the second circle, the denominator is 6, ma'am.
you're telling like that? Okay, actually, this is one whole fraction. Okay, this is one complete thing. I told no, you are eating one dosa and you are eating like this. So when you are asking for denominator, you should not tell 6 and 6. This you completely, what is the one whole is divided into how many equal parts? 6. 6 is the answer. Okay. And what is the numerator? You are telling 6 and 2, right? It is not 6 and 2. It is 8. Okay. You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 6. Are you clear?
8 by 6?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, how 8 came and how 6 came?
Okay. How 6 came means you just see this is one whole. Yes or no, Kanna? The whole
Yeah,
divided
1 whole has 6.
the denominator is 6. It is divided into 6 equal parts. So the denominator is 6. Are you clear with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you just tell me how many pieces you took. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah, now I understood.
7 and 8. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karan. Okay. Yes, this is a very important thing. Yes, can you tell for this what will be the numerator and denominator for this?
Mm. Seven
Hmm?
upon
Hmm?
8.
You're telling both the thing, right? But for denominator, what is the definition of denominator? Yeah, whole is divided into how many equal parts? You just tell me, whole is divided into how many parts? 4. So it is 4. Okay. Yes, even though you can have like this 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole, and final thing, if you are having like this, what will be the fraction means? The whole is divided into how many equal parts here?
3.
3. So the denominator is 3. Okay. So we'll do the next exercise in that you will understand it clearly. Okay. Yes,
Okay,
everyone
ma'am.
are here? Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Super, super, super. Okay. Now, yes. Okay. Now you just see here. Naveda, we'll start with you. Yes. I'll do annotate option. Okay. I want you to shade 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
So this is all the holes are divided into 3 equal parts. You are taking only one part from this. So it is 1 by 3. If I'm asking you to do 2 by 3, how will you do?
Ma'am, 2 are shaded parts.
2 are shaded parts. I'm just shading 2 parts like this. Yes or no?
Ma'am, like this.
Okay. No. You can do here 1 by 3, here 2 by 3 like that. Yes, I'll tell you why later. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So here this part and this part is shaded. This is 2 by,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, and Nandini, ma'am, can you show the definition of the numerator and denominator?
I'll show you again. Yes, wait for this one. Now we'll discuss this and we'll go to. Now you complete and focus here. Okay? Okay. Yes? Okay. Now, now we'll go to 3 by 3. Yes. How can I shade 3 by 3?
We have to shade all the 3 parts. All the triangles, ma'am.
One part. Okay, okay. I'll
Yeah.
give you all. Yes, if I ask anyone, that person alone unmute. Okay? Yes. So first part, second part, third part. I'm just shading 3 parts. Okay. Suppose if I'm giving a fraction like this 4 by 3, how to do that? First, first part, second part, third part, and we completed one whole. Now I'm going to take from another whole, which is also divided by 3 parts. So this is 4 by 3. Are you clear with this, children? Okay. So what is the denominator means? We are not bothering about how many holes you are having. Yes, we are just telling that particular whole is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. Yes. Are you all clear with this? Okay, super. Okay, now we'll go for 5 by 6. Sanvi, can you tell me what is 5 by 3? Sorry, 5 by 3.
Ma'am, in the we have to shade 3 parts in the first circle and 2 parts in the other circle.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Okay. If I'm asking you to do 10 by 3, is it possible for us to do 10 by 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will shade all these parts. Yes or no, Kanna? This one, and this one. This is 3 holes and 1 by 3. Yes or no? We'll come to the other thing later. But are you all clear with numerator and denominator, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is anyone having doubt with numerator and denominator?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you just see this is the definition for numerator and denominator. Numerator, you just take screenshot of this. Later you can write.
Circle.
Okay, you just take this alone. The numerator is number of parts. Okay, you can write it in your note. That is better. Numerator is number of parts we select, whereas denominator is a whole is divided into how many parts.
Ma'am, have a doubt. 5 by 3.
What is your doubt?
Ma'am, I just said right. Ma'am, the numerator is 5 and the denominator is numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3.
Yes. Someone is asking doubt, no? Who is that?
Ma'am, me, ma'am.
Yes, what is your doubt, Vedanshi?
Ma'am, this denominator or numerator? I'm getting that.
See, the number, the value above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. Yes?
So this is denominator.
Yes. Okay. Yes, are you all clear? Shall we move to next one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, children. Now you just see here. Now you just see we are having fractions like this, and this. Yes. Okay. Now, what is the fraction for this? I want Advait to answer. Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advait. What is the fraction
Yes, ma'am.
for this, Advait?
Ma'am, 2 by 4.
2 by 4. Is what is the fraction for this?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am, 9 by 9.
Very good. 9 by 9. What is the fraction for this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 by 1.
5 by what? Others wait.
5 by 5. 5 by 5.
Is that 5 by 5, Advait? Advait, tell me the whole is divided into how many equal parts?
5 by 3, ma'am.
5 by 3. 5 by 3.
Ma'am, it's 5 by 3.
Children. Okay, if everyone is keep on talking, then I won't allow you to mute by yourself. Okay, so you just wait for your turn so that it will be easier.
Sorry, ma'am, for the joining late.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So now based on this, we are having different types of fraction. So example, you just tell me if I'm eating a half of this one, half of the pizza. It is I'm eating a part of the whole, right? This is a part of a whole. I'm just eating only a part. If I'm eating complete pizza, I'm ordering one pizza and I'm not sharing with any people. I'm just dividing into pieces and I'm eating one by one. Yes or no? Complete thing, that is it's a whole. Yes, I'm eating all the whole. Okay, one moment. I'll mute you all. I'll ask one by one to answer. Yes. Okay. Yes, and suppose you just see I'm eating one whole pizza and also I'm having few more extra things. So that is more than a whole. Are you clear with what is a part of a whole? It's a whole and more than a whole. Yes. Okay. Now, based on this, we are going to have a types of a fraction. Okay. Before going to this, we are going to do one game. But in this game, I am going to play. I'll call any one person to help me. That person will keep on telling the answer. I am going to place according to that. Yes. Deepa, can you unmute? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yes, how to pronounce your name, Kana?
Ma'am, I am Orkodeep.
Artip, okay. Okay, now you just try to answer me, Artip. I'm going to show one thing. One second. I'll open my exam board. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to take one by one pieces, Kana. You are going to tell whether it is a whole, it's a part of a whole, it's more than a whole. You are going to tell, I'm going to place. Yes? Okay, you just tell me whether it is a whole. Where should I place it?
It's a whole.
Okay. How about this?
More than a whole.
Very good. How about this?
More than a whole.
Very good. How about this?
Whole.
This one?
Part of a whole.
Part of a whole. Yes, this one?
Whole.
Whole. This one, others, you can also tell with me.
More than a whole.
Very good. Okay. This one?
Whole.
Okay. This one?
Whole.
How about this one?
Part of a whole.
Very good. This one?
More than a whole.
Very good. This one?
More than a whole.
Very good. This one?
Whole.
This one?
Part of a whole.
This?
Part of a whole. Part of a whole.
Yes.
Part of a whole. These two are part of a whole.
This and this is part of a whole. Children, did you understand what is part of a whole, what is a whole, and what is more than a whole?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It is just like I'm eating half dosa, I'm eating 1/4 dosa, I'm eating a part of a dosa. This means I'm just having complete dosa. It is, I'm just eating more than a dosa. Yes or no, Kana? Able to understand?
Yes,
If you understand this one, then we can easily do types of fraction. Okay? Shall we go for types of fraction, everyone? Everyone,
Yes, ma'am.
type CC in the chat box. TC, crystal clear. Yes, yes. Okay. Others, type it soon. Bhairavi, Vedanshi, Hanshika, yes. Nandini, Sanvi, yes. Clear? Yes, okay, Gata, okay. Yes, children. Now, we'll go to the types of fraction. Do you know any types of fraction? We learned this one, right? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Yes, how many of you learned this one? Yes, you people are learned this one. Yes? No, you didn't learn. Okay, super Vedanshi, no problem. I'll tell you. Yes? Okay. Lakshmi, can you unmute and tell where is Lakshmi? Yeah. Yes. This is Neelia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am. Okay. The types of fractions are,
what is proper fraction?
ma'am, proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator.
Yes. Okay. You people learn something like this. When numerator is less than denominator, when denominator is greater than, like this, you learn something. But did you understand what is the real meaning of that? We'll see that now. Okay. Now you just see why it is called proper fraction. Means always I told you, no, if we are having one whole and if we are sharing that, that is fraction. If we are having more than one and we are sharing, means that is division. Yes or no? But if I'm having more than one and also I'm splitting into pieces, there comes the improper fraction. What is a proper fraction? Means less than a whole. If a thing is less than a whole, then that is proper fraction. If it is more than a whole, it is improper fraction. Okay, are you clear with this? Now you just see all these pictures are less than a whole. Yes or no? Part of a whole. This is called as proper fraction. Okay, and whereas there is a condition. Why a proper fraction numerator is less than denominator means you just see the whole. In that I'm just taking only 3 pieces. Whereas I'm having 8 pieces. Yes or no? This is a proper fraction. You just see what are the fraction for this one. This will be the whole is divided into 8 equal parts. 3 by 8 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 8. Yes. Same way here 1 by 4. 2 by 8. 7 by 8. You just see everywhere numerator is less than the denominator. If you are having a less than a whole, your numerator will be less than the denominator. Okay, that's why you learn like this. Okay, when numerator is less than denominator, it is a proper fraction. Okay, so when what is improper fraction means when it is equal to whole or more than a whole. If it is equal to whole or more than a whole, it is called as improper fraction. Are you clear with this? Okay, we'll see. Again, we'll do that activity and so that you will understand it clearly. Yes, now I'll call Vedanshi. Are you there? Once again. Because Vedanshi don't know this topic, so let her try. Where is Vedanshi? Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I know, but last year my Meenal ma'am teached me, but
Okay, no, now you just try to do with me, Vedanshi. You just tell, I'll arrange. Okay. So,
okay,
you just come here. Yes. Okay. Now you just see here.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. What is proper fraction means? It's a part of a whole. If it is a less than a whole, you will tell it as a proper fraction. If it is a more than a whole, you will be doing it as a improper fraction. Okay. Now you just tell me whether this is a proper or improper.
Improper.
Why it is improper?
No, it is proper, sir.
It is proper. Okay. How about this one, Vedanshi?
Improper.
Yes, because whole or more than a whole, it is a improper fraction. How about this one?
Proper fraction.
Why it is proper?
No, improper.
Improper because this is a whole. Yes or no? How about this one?
Ma'am, that one proper.
Proper. It is less than a whole. It is proper. Okay. How about this one?
Proper.
Proper. Okay. How about this one?
Proper.
This one. You just see.
Yes, ma'am, that one only proper, ma'am.
Why it is a proper? It is
No,
more
it
than
is
a whole.
proper.
More than a whole. You are having 2 holes and extra pieces. Is that not enough? You
Yes.
ate 2 dosas and extra. So it is improper fraction. Okay.
Proper.
Okay. Okay, Vedanshi. Thank you so much. I'll call Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanvi. Now you just tell me what is this?
Ma'am, this is a proper fraction.
How about this?
Ma'am, it's improper.
How about this?
Ma'am, it's improper.
Very good, very good. Okay, thank you, Sanvi. Okay, now I'll call. Who didn't get chance at all? Pratha, can you try now? At the time you can't able to talk. Pratha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now your voice is clear. Yes, Pratha, tell me what fraction is this? Yes. Okay, again, I will say you. Yes, unmute. Again, I think you will. Pratha, unmute. Okay. Sorry, Pratha, we are moving to next person. Okay. Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harshit, tell me what is this, whether it is a proper or improper?
Ma'am,
Whether this fraction is a proper or improper?
ma'am, this fraction is what's the ma'am?
This one. Whether it is less than a whole or more than a whole, Harshit? Even if it is wrong, no problem. Tell me something so that it is easy for me to guide you.
Ma'am, it is
It is? Harshit? Okay, it is a proper fraction because it is a less than a whole. Okay. Harshit, are you there? Okay, I think some network issue. Okay, I'll go then with yes, Harsh.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, Harsh.
Proper fraction.
Okay. How about this one?
Improper fraction.
Okay. How about this one?
Improper fraction.
Yes, okay. Hanshika, can you try? Hanshika. Okay, children. I think by this time you will, yes, Bhairavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhairavi, tell me, what is this?
Ma'am, improper fraction.
Very good. This one?
Improper fraction.
This one?
Improper fraction.
This one.
Proper fraction.
Because it is less than a whole. Yes or no, Kanna?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about a whole? Whether a whole is a proper or improper?
Improper fraction.
Very good. Okay. Yes, this is improper. How about this one?
This one is improper fraction.
Why it is improper?
It's almost a whole, ma'am.
It's not, no. Yeah, you just see only 3 parts I took. 1 part is left over. Yes or no? So it is exactly equal to whole, that is improper. If it is a less than a whole, it is a proper. Okay. It is a proper. Okay. How about this one?
This is an improper fraction.
Why it is improper?
It's more than a whole.
Which is what is whole here? The whole circle is whole. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You just see you are having ordering a pizza and it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and you are taking 6 parts from that. Whether it means you ate all the pizza?
No.
No, it is less than a whole, right? Because 2 pieces are left over. So it is less than a whole. So it is proper fraction. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Kana. Yes. Now, children will move to the normal thing, but in your exam and all, they won't ask like this. Sir, no, Kana. They'll be asking you some numbers only. They won't give you pictures, dosa, pizzas and all. Yes. So we'll come to this regular thing. Now, I'll tell you one number. You people are going to tell whether it is a proper or improper. You just tell me when it is a proper, when it is improper. Proper means when it is less than a denominator. Okay, sorry, a numerator is less than denominator. Then that is proper. Improper means when numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, now Sanvi, go ahead. Now Sanvi, tell me how about this one, 17 by 11.
Ma'am, it's an improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Okay, how about 9 by 11?
Ma'am, it's a proper fraction.
Very good. How about this one?
Ma'am, it's improper fraction.
Improper. If numerator is greater than the denominator, it is improper. How about
Ma'am,
this?
I already learnt it.
Okay, or how about this one?
Ma'am, it's a proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Yes. Is everyone clear with what is proper fraction and improper fraction? Yes. Okay. Yes, Arkip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, tell me, Arkip. What is this?
Ma'am, it is a proper fraction.
How about this one?
Improper fraction.
This one?
Proper fraction.
This one?
Proper fraction.
Very good. How about this one?
Proper fraction.
Yes, this one?
Proper fraction.
Okay, super, super, super. Yes, okay. Now, who will get? Okay. Ishit, are you there? Ishit, you can unmute. Okay, Advait?
Ma'am, I can hear you. Can I try?
Yes, yes, Pratap.
Yes, ma'am.
How about 7 by 11?
It is proper fraction.
Proper fraction. 4 by 6.
Proper fraction.
Okay. 15 by
Proper
3.
fraction.
Okay, 1 by 11 is proper. 15 by 3.
Improper fraction.
Proper fraction. Okay, Kana. Super, super, super. Yes, yes, children. Now I'll give you one Google form so that everyone will work together. Yes, okay. So now it is for proper and one second. I'll share my screen. Now this is types of fraction.
Improper fraction.
I want you to see the question carefully and then do. Okay. Here, I'll be giving questions like select all proper fractions. So you will be having more than one answer. You have to select all the proper fraction, all the improper fraction. And also you will be having with numbers also. In numbers, when it is a proper, when numerator is less than denominator, it is proper. How about 7 by 7? How about 7 by 7? Whether it is a proper or improper? It is improper because it is a whole, right? Okay. Now, this is your link. I want everyone to type, see the question carefully and do. Yes? For this, you are having just 7 questions. Once you're done, you can type the subject. Pratha, is it possible for you to log in now? Yes, Advait, Gita, you can unmute now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't understand improper fraction.
Okay, you didn't understand what is proper fraction, improper fraction. Yes?
ma'am.
Okay. You just see here. Okay. Yes, you just tell me, Kana, here. You just see
Okay.
what is what is a fraction for this?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, all questions are right, but one question is incorrect, ma'am.
Okay. Once again. I'm teaching Advita. Once I done with it, I'll come and see the result. Okay. Yes, Advita. You just see here. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
one whole. Yes or no, Kana? One whole is divided into how many equal parts?
One on is divided to 4 equal parts.
4 equal parts. And how many parts we selected?
2, ma'am.
2. Okay. So the fraction for this is 2 by 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now this is a whole. I select part of a whole. Yes or no? If you are
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
part of a whole, that is proper fraction. If you are
Proper.
taking full whole, the complete whole or more than a whole, it is an improper fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
Now,
a-
but in our exams, they won't be giving with these pictures, right? They'll be giving with numbers. No, Kana. Now you just tell me how the numbers will look for this. What is the fraction for this one? 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5,
7, 8, 9.
9.
So what is the
9 by 9.
9 by 9? Now you just see the numerator and denominator both are equal. Is that no, Kana?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
which means the whole, I took complete thing. Is that no?
Yes, ma'am.
It is an improper fraction. If I'm having more than a whole or whole, that is improper fraction. How will you write for this one, Advita?
Ma'am, for this I will write 5 by 6.
5 by 6 is wrong. Okay. Actually, what is the denominator means? For numerator only, we will be seeing how many.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 second, Kana, 1 second. Let Advita answer. She didn't understand this part, so we help her. Yes. Okay. Now we will be select each and every for a numerator. We will be checking in all the things. But for denominator, we are not checking everywhere. We are just checking only one whole. You just see the whole is divided into how many equal parts?
7 is 3, ma'am.
3. So the fraction is 5 by 3. Okay. So when you are having more than one whole, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So when the numerator and denominator are equal,
So this 5 by 3, this 5 by 3 is a improper fraction.
very good, very good. This is an improper fraction. Okay. So when it is
Okay, ma'am.
more than a whole, it is improper fraction. When it is more than a whole, the numerator will be greater than the denominator. Yes?
Yes, okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Okay, Kana. Try to do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, wait, children. I'll see the result. Okay. So Harsh, Sanvi, Bhairavi, Arthap, Vedanshi, Advait, Nitya. Okay. We'll start with Harsh. Harsh, what happened? Where you went wrong? This is option 1, 2, and 3. That is okay. For first question, you just selected everything. Okay. Okay. We'll see. Option 4 also you select. Harsh, you just unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harsh, you just see. Okay, what are the proper fraction for this?
Ma'am, first question.
One second, I'll open in that view.
Ma'am, I also got 1 by 7, ma'am.
Yes, I saw that. Can I come to you? I'll come. Okay.
I got confused, ma'am.
Okay. We'll see where we went from. Okay. Yes.
And the last question is wrong, ma'am.
Once again, we'll see what is that one. Okay.
Ma'am, you want to ask question?
Once again, one moment, student. Okay. Now you just see here. Harsh, you just tell me what are the proper fraction here.
Option 1, option 2, option 3.
Why did you select option 4 also?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Option 4.
Okay. Option 4 won't come. Yes. Which is proper fraction means which is less than a whole. Yes or no, Kana? So which are
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3. This is not a proper fraction. Yes.
Yes. Improper fraction.
It is improper fraction. Okay. Now you just select, tell here what are the proper fraction in this picture.
Ma'am, option 3 and option 1.
Option 1, you just see it is
No, ma'am. Sorry. Option 1 is not.
So only option 3 is proper fraction.
Yes.
Then no.
Yes.
Yes. Vedanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Yes. What are the select all proper fraction? What are the proper fraction? Kana? What is the proper fraction means?
1 by 3, 2 by 3.
Is 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
What is improper fraction in the list, Vedanshi? Next question.
Ma'am, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3.
Okay. In this question,
Okay, ma'am. 7 by 3.
7 by 3 and
wait, Harsh.
5 by... No, ma'am.
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
5 by 6 is improper.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 7 by 3 is...
Will you
7 by 3 is
Vedanshi? Okay, okay. Harsh, once again.
improper.
Not give chance to Vedanshi. Okay. Yes, Vedanshi, tell me.
Ma'am, it is
3 by 3. 7 by
7 by 3 and how
4. 4 by 2.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Yes, 7 by 3 and 4 by 2. Okay. Okay, I will use you all. Now we'll go to the result page. Okay. Advait. Advait. I want Advait. Where's Advait? Advait. Yes, Advait. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Advait, tell me what will be the answer for this question? Select all improper fraction. Which option will come, Advait?
Ma'am. Ma'am, improper fraction.
Hmm.
Option 2 and option 3.
Very good. So more than a whole is improper fraction. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now tell me here, Advait. You just tell me what are the improper fraction here in this list.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 4/3, 5/3.
4/3, 5/3. Okay.
3
And
by
also 3/3 is also improper fraction.
3 by
Okay.
3.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Same way. Tell for the last question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, proper fractions are 2/6,
Hmm.
2/6, 2/6, 4/8, 5/6.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Everyone clear with the proper fraction and improper fractions? Yes. Okay. 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 This actually is a very big topic, right? Yes. Arkin,
Ma'am, I have got 7 out of 7.
you got 7 out of 7. I noticed that. I noticed that. Good. 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 Yes. Okay. Yes, children. Shall you just tell? Shall we go to next topic? With that, we'll. Okay. Harsh is taking refreshment. Ma'am, it's boring, ma'am. From morning, you are keep on teaching for 4 years topics. You are trying to teach in one day. Yes. Actually, from grade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, 6-year topic, right? Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I ask a riddle?
Yes. Go for a riddle. This is riddle.
Okay. It is in front of you, but you don't see. What is this?
It's in front of me, but I can't able. Yes,
Yes.
Vedanshi is answering. Yes, Vedanshi, go for that.
Ma'am,
What is answer, ma'am?
Wait, Vedanshi is trying.
ma'am, we
Yes.
cannot see our brain right now.
See your brain. Well, the brain is in front of you.
Ma'am, it is wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Okay, Sanvi, go for that.
Ma'am, it's air.
Air. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
Why, it is correct. No, air is everywhere, right? We can't able to see
No,
air.
ma'am. It is wrong. No, ma'am.
Okay,
Wrong.
so we can ask-
Ma'am, you try. Ma'am, you try. Ma'am, you try.
Name.
Name.
No, no, ma'am. Wrong.
Okay. Yes, Bhairavi.
Ma'am, try you.
Face.
Face.
No,
Okay.
no, wrong.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, try you. Ma'am, you try.
No idea.
Ma'am, future.
Future. How do you tell it is in front of us? It is like that only, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Bhairavi.
Ma'am, I also have a riddle.
Yes, go for your riddle.
Okay, ma'am. 2 mothers and 2 daughters were there, ma'am. And
Okay.
then they went to watch a football match. But then only 3 seats were available. Totally, how many people were there?
I know the answer. Who is going to try for this? Okay. Hanshika. Yes, can you try for this? We'll call the person.
Ma'am.
Yes, can you try to answer for this question? 2 mothers and 2 daughters are there. They are going to watch some football match, right? Okay. Football match, but only 3 seats are there, but they are watching the thing. How it is possible?
Ma'am, there is no person in that sheets, ma'am.
Okay, no person in the seat. Okay. But that is
Ma'am, they'll be watching that in the home, ma'am.
no, they are going to the stadium.
To watch the match.
Okay. Oh, wait, we'll give chance to others who didn't talk. Yes, Ishit, tell.
Ma'am, because ma'am, two mothers means there are two mothers, ma'am, and there are only three members, ma'am.
Okay,
I
2
can't.
months. How? That is the question. How? I thought I know you know the answer. Can you explain it clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are three members, ma'am, because there are two mothers. Because ma'am, let's think first grandmother, mother, and
Very good. Super. Yes. First one is a grandmother, and grandmother's daughter is also a mother. So grandmother, mother, and grandchild. Is that no, Kana? Yes, Bhairavi.
I just have one more riddle I'll ask.
Okay, everyone ready for the riddle? Okay, go for this.
A man has 10 sons and each son has one sister. How many children are there?
Yes, try. Who is going to try? I wait. I'll call the person. Harshit, are you there? No. Advita. Okay. Okay. Sanvi. Yes, Harshit ready. Yes. One second. Harshit, you can unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Kana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhairavi is asking you one riddle. You can answer that riddle. Yes, Bhairavi, can you repeat the riddle?
Yes, ma'am. A man has 10 sons and each son has one sister. How many children are there in total?
It's very easy. Man has 10 sons and each son has one sister. So how many total children are there? Shall I tell? Yes, Advait is raising the hand. Yes, Advait.
Ma'am, I think 11 children.
11. Yes. Okay. So, yes, Sanvi, go ahead.
Ma'am, 11 children.
Yes, 11.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I also ask a riddle?
Okay,
Ma'am,
last.
I saw the riddle. Ma'am, where I saw the riddles is from my riddle book. I have a riddle book of 2,500 riddles.
Try to solve that all the riddles. So you'll be.
Ma'am, can I ask a riddle?
Yes, final riddle. Sanvi will ask. After that, we'll see other goodie topic. Okay. Yes, Sanvi, go ahead. Yes, Vedan jumping. Mama, I want to ask one thing. Yes, but mom is not allowing to unmute. Yes, once again, Vedanshi, wait. Yes, everyone is jumping. Okay. Yes, Sanvi, go ahead.
I have head and tail, but no body.
I know. Yes, Bhairavi is rising, so you know the answer. Okay, others, can you try? I have head and tail, but no body. Yes. Okay, type answer in the chat box, but send me privately. Okay. Okay, coin. Sanvi, that is coin. Most of them are Advait and Bhairavi send the answer. This coin. Is it correct?
Yeah, ma'am, it's correct.
Coin. Okay. Yes. Yes, children. Yes. What can we do now? Is Vedanshi? I'll ask Vedanshi. What to do, Vedanshi?
One short riddle or long riddle?
Oh, you are going to tell riddle. One more riddle.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we go for last one more riddle? Okay. Yes, Vedanshi, go.
Long or short? riddle?
Short riddle. Short and sweet riddle.
Okay, ma'am. A wonder on the way water become a bone.
Wonder or the way. What am I? I couldn't understand. Can you repeat it again?
I will write in the chat box.
Typed in this board. You can type it here. Make it first. I told short one, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, the short one.
Okay. Right.
Give me a second.
Okay. Yes, children, did you enjoy today's session? Yes. Yeah. Who is this? Harsh. You only started the riddle, so no more riddle. Okay. Yes, we'll ask the riddle in next session. Okay. A wonder on the wave. Okay. Let's see the last one. Or water became boat. No idea? If you know the answer for this, you can type in the chat box. You enjoy today's session. Okay, ma'am. Please, can I ask you? Please. Yes. Yes, go ahead. What is the riddle?
Ma'am, I have a Hindi riddle.
You have a Hindi, but I don't know Hindi.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. So I am asking that it is a thing that is used by you and it is used by others also.
This is the thing used by me and also by others. My name.
Yes, ma'am. Right answer.
Yay, super. Okay. Okay, children. We are almost end of the session. So what we'll do means I'll give you another form, but that form is not to check this one. I want to know how the workshop went for you. Yes. Okay. So you give you a valuable thing here. Okay. Try to fill this form. Okay. This is a
Ma'am, did you get the answer for my riddle?
no Vedanshi, I didn't get the answer. Others also didn't get the answer, I think. So no reply for that
Ma'am,
one.
the answer is ice on a lake.
What?
Ice on a lake.
Ice on a lake. Okay, super. But I didn't understand. I will ask you later. Okay. Yes, children. Now you just see this form. If you click this form, you will get like this. You type your name and grade, and you just click. Did you enjoy the session? It is out of 5. How much you will be giving that stars? How many stars you will be giving? And the second question is, you can explain few words about the session. Yes, I want you to type this. Harsh is asking for more riddle. Harsh, I'll give you the last riddle will be yours. With that, we will stop the session. Okay, so wait until then. Everyone done with the form? Okay. So far, I got 2 responses, Harshit and Archit. Yes, 4 responses. Okay, I open. Okay. Yes, 4 responses. Others, you just type your response here. Okay. Okay, Kana. Harsh, I told no, I'll be giving you the chance at last. Last question is yours. With that, we'll end the session. Okay? Wait till then. Okay. I know if I give the riddles, then this will be happening. After that, it is difficult to continue the class. That's why I didn't go from the beginning. Okay? Everyone try to fill the form. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Arthur, for your words are making me happy. Okay, thank you for that. Yes, I love teaching, and I'm so happy if I'm teaching like this. Okay. Yes, we done till once again. Who is this? Keep on scribbling. Oh my God. I'll stop on a talk. Now what will be? Okay, we saw till this. Yes. Okay. So after this, we are having something called, we are having other fractions also. Since it is time, we can't able to continue with this one. Okay. If you're having any doubt in this, you can ask me. No doubt. So far, so good, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kana. Yes. So one small announcement with that we'll end the session. Our next Foundation Math Mastery program is going to start from May 12, and then for grade 6 from June 1st, we are going to start our next batch. If anyone interested in this one, you just ask your parents to reach out. Yes, this is the announcement. Okay. Now, one more. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, once again. Vedanshi, once again, I'll start from Vedanshi. Yes, Vedanshi.
Ma'am, I cannot join this section at grade 6 because June 1st I'm going to school, ma'am.
Okay, Kana, okay. Yes. Okay, Lakshmi, crystal clear. Okay, Neelia, crystal clear. Yes, next, Bhairavi.
Ma'am, can you just show that announcement again? I'll just take a quick screenshot of it.
Okay, this is the announcement.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, Kana.
Bye,
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, we'll, yes, Harsh, you can ask your riddle. Final riddle, only one riddle.
Yes, ma'am. What is this force? It is on Earth but don't on Moon.
Gravity?
Yes,
Okay, super. Yes, children.
ma'am, one page you back, please.
Sorry,
Ma'am, one page you back. I take a screenshot.
you want to show me this one? Yes. Okay, children, those who done with it, you can leave. We'll see you in another session. Had a great time. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I take a screenshot.
Okay, children. See
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye. Yes, Neelia, I'll call you. Okay. Yes, okay. Yes, Arthur.
Ma'am, I'm saying that can I leave?
Yes, Arthur, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, Hanshika.
Ma'am, that fourth to fifth, that foundation mastery, ma'am, that you will teach or some other one will teach, ma'am?
There is a Renuka ma'am, right? Renuka Praveen, can you able to see? She is going to handle that session.
Okay, ma'am. Which date, ma'am?
It is starting from May 12th, Kana.
Ma'am, can you just share that screen, ma'am, and screenshot that, ma'am?
Okay, Kana. Yes, it's a 3-month program. It is starting from May 12th. Okay, did you take?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Bye. Okay, Pratha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratha, do you have any doubt?
What, ma'am? Can you repeat?
Do you have any doubt? Doubt? Did you like the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kana.
I really enjoyed it and I cleared all my doubts.
I think network issues are a major problem, right? Yes, did you
Yes,
log
ma'am.
form again or again also it didn't come? The Google form.
Yes, ma'am.
You told you couldn't able to log in that Google form, right? Second time whether you did that or not.
Ma'am, I again tried it and then it happened.
So, okay. Okay, then I'll try to share the link. You can try it later. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye.